कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Usambut Menteri Rambak Kejelau Pak Presiden Tensong haloka jing Sahteng jangka Jingïakren ki Regional Committee ben penben ya upur usam jangki ajela ka Dei Namarba ka jingbam ya Laitpor. Haba Jingïakren bekila pathai kubor uba Presiden ulaong ba hapo ka Assam kidan hadu langut ki Chairman jangki Regional Committee kat bana po Kejela kidan tang uwei berkadau baslam ka Dei Namar ka jingbam ya Laitpor mar Kylliang.
Sometimes when we this side are free, unfortunately from that side they are not free. And not only that, see the point here is, see like in Ribhoi district, the government of Assam, they kept 3 chairmen. One chairman is with Atul Bora, the other chairman is with Mr. I forgot his name, Mr. And the other one is the previous one where we were together in this first phase. We have 3 chairmen, different chairmen, whereas from our side we have only 1. Then the same members, but that side they have 3 different chairmen and then 3 different members also in this regional committee. So when one committee is free, the other one is not free. Because different chairman again, as I said to you, so we have little problem on this. But however, I think we'll be able to resolve this issue, and we can again resume our sitting very soon. I'm not saying, but because sometimes when we are free, they are not free. When they are free again, we are not free. That is the only point. From the committee, we are in touch with the counterpart chairman. We are in touch, but as I said to you, sometimes we are free from this side, but from that side they are not free. So, you know, some kind of problem here and there where that side they have some engagement, some meeting, important meeting, and then some tours. And again, this side we are not free. So during Christmas time, again January, we were so busy. So these were the issues.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center